In this video, we are going to see how we can view or see your private TikTok videos. So if you have marked a specific video or a couple of videos as private, here's how you can easily find that. First of all, just go to the profile icon from the bottom right hand corner. And here we just want to choose the private section that appears right here. We click on that and here are all the videos. Now, if we want to add a video as private or make a video private, we open that specific video. We click on the three dots and from here we click on the privacy settings and we set it to only you. And now once we move to our profile, we can click on this specific section with the lock and you will see that that video appears here. And similarly, I have added one more video to private because it's different in color, so we can easily notice that. Now, once we want to make any private video public, what we need to do is just open up that specific video from this specific section of private videos. We open that up, we click on the three dots and we click on the privacy setting again and we set it to everyone. And now when we go back, just like so, we will set it to the main section that is public. And here is our video that is now made public. So that's about it. That is how you can see your private videos in a specific section on TikTok app. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.